Have you ever imagined that you can make millions from selling a PDF? Have you ever? What if I told you that it's possible with eBooks? A soft copy version of a book, a magazine, a flyer, anything that would otherwise have been published. The valuable advantages eBooks give are easy to distribute to a wider audience since you simply sell them online. Minimal cost involved since you don't incur cost on printing and even distributing itself. Because it's easier to distribute, you get access to a wider audience, which is a good plus. They are a source of passive income, so you do the work once, and after publishing, you can keep making money over and over and over again on sales of your ebook. With that said, let's quickly get into the A to Z of ebooks. We are going to delve into the three most important stages of ebooks. That is creating, launching, and promoting. 1. Creating. Ebooks are also content, and just with any other content, they speak to a specific or targeted audience. Travelers, businessmen and women, fitness enthusiasts, tech lovers, name it. Which means the first question you must answer is the for who question. Who are you developing this ebook for? In other words, who is your target market? After identifying that, it's now time to figure out what problem your target market is that you intend to solve. I believe you've seen those diagrams of problem plus solution equals money, right? In a creator language, it is simply called value. What value are you adding to your target market? What keeps your target market awake at night, combing everywhere, searching for answers? If you can answer that question, then congratulations on becoming an ebook millionaire. If I could pick you up from my example, at the making of this video, I have lived for some good time in 3 out of the 5 African countries that I have been to. So those 3 I can speak for and about. I created an ebook called the Trip Is Magazine that gives you all the info you need before traveling to any of these countries to save you time and money, making inquiries, jumping from site to site, looking for information. Do you need to know visa requirements ahead of your visit to Uganda, Rwanda and Nigeria? The Trip Is magazine has that information. Also featured are affordable accommodation options in these countries, some elementary phrases that can easily help you translated from English to the country's local languages, foods, the do's and don'ts of these countries, etc. I sell that ebook at only $10. You could grab it if you'll be traveling to one of these countries, or you could also grab it if you need to benchmark on how to create your next ebook. I've linked it in the description box below. I made about $400 in the month before and the month after the launch of this ebook, and I continue to make money from it today whenever a person purchases a copy, which by the way I wrote several months ago. To surprise you, I only invested $50 in the designs of this ebook. The simple story we can record from this experience is 1. I identified who my target market is, the traveler. What keeps them awake at night? They stay up at night combing sites for travel related information ahead of their travel. What am I saving them from? The hassle. You don't have to comb sites anymore, because I've summarized all the information for you just in one place. What that example means that ahead of you creating your ebook, think critically who your target market is, what problem they have that you can solve with your ebook, solve it, and congratulations on making millions from your ebook. I'll make in a separate video some ideas that I believe are hot and you could keep your eyes on. So you may want to stick around by subscribing and turning on your notifications so that you don't miss those hot takes. After you have idealized your ebook, it's now time to start creating it. And this is really typing up something on Microsoft Word, adding some graphics as well using software like Canva, or using a software to do the both for you. You can have a team of friends or family members who you can ask for feedback on template designs, the contents in your ebook, the cover page designs, etc. These should be trusted people who will not launch your ebook to the public before you do, and painfully for free. If you've enjoyed this video to this point, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up for the algorithm. And after that, let's quickly jump to launching your ebook. Obviously, you want to keep sharing the news to your social media to ready up the buyers and pick a launch date. You're not having a physical launch event, but pick a launch date. Let people know when you'll go live so that they are ready. Let them know what they intend to benefit as well, so that your target market is ready too. Choosing a platform where you'll be selling your ebook is as important as the ebook is. I recommend Amazon for their Amazon Kindle services. In Africa, several sites are great, but since some of them are hard to withdraw your money from, because they use PayPal, I recommend that you choose those that support Payoneer, e.g. Amazon, or use Selar. In my opinion, Selar is the best platform for creators selling digital products in Africa because it allows you to collect payments from buyers in about 6 different currencies through mobile money, bank transfers, credit cards, etc. Also, you can withdraw your money out through mobile money and bank transfers. I've shared the sign up link to their website in the description box below. You can check it out. And then after, we go to the final step, which is promoting your ebook. Promoting, as you know, is basically creating awareness that you'd otherwise not reach. There is 4 ways you could do this. 1, make posts on your social media. 2 is giving deals and discounts to a few people who will buy first, e.g. 20% discount off on the first 10 to 100 people who will buy your ebook. Sponsored ads on social media, and 4, affiliate marketing. Both Amazon and Selar have an embedded provision where you can let other people sell your product and you give them a percentage off. What methods you use will entirely depend on what sales targets you set for yourself. But most importantly, don't forget to remind every buyer who buys from any of the platform where your ebook is to leave for you a review, because it creates more confidence for the newer buyers who come and look at those reviews. And so, with that said, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Peace out.